we challenged ourselves to build the best Kamado-style grill ever made. We wanted to use the best materials, the absolute best suppliers in the world, the best technology and the best science that we could find. I'm probably most excited about the innovation inside the grill and the opportunity to work with a young company here in Massachusetts called the SlōRoller.
So the SlōRoller was born in a Harvard classroom.
In this engineering design class at Harvard, the idea is you identify a real world problem, you work together as a design team, you design and develop a prototype solution, and that's what we did. And it was very clear to me that we had something, that this was a way to cook barbecue. Called a group of the students into my office and said, y'all want to do a company? Let's do something here.
So really what we decided to do was take all of the SlōRoller technology, everything we had applied to barbecue and grilling, and try to bring that into the Kamado Joe product line, the hyperbolic pressure chamber.
Think of it as an hourglass. It's a shape that can give you the optimal airflow and heat distribution to cook great food. Airflow comes up through the shape, and then you start getting these smoke spirals at the top where your food is. Cyclones or like whirlwinds of air that bombard your food with smoky flavor and great taste. This shape concentrates heat in the narrow neck at the middle and then distributes it evenly at the top. So you know at any inch of the grill plate your food's going to be cooked evenly, it's going to be tender.
And on the outside you're still getting that premium brand, that premium product with the amazing hinge, the amazing experience, something you can be proud of.
It's really exciting for our team to continuously innovate and bring the best, most remarkable grills to market. Nobody makes a grill quite like Kamado Joe.